everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So continue with the maths next part. Third question, 7.2 exercise. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitude BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB respectively. Show that these altitudes are equal. So how to solve? Any idea? What do you mean by altitudes?
Height.
This means switch on video. Switch on your video. Everyone. What do you mean by altitude? Rupika?
A line which cuts the side.
Madhushri? Madhushri? Not getting audio. Pranjal?
Ma'am, the lines which form a 90-degree angle,
The
same
line
as
from the
perpendicular.
earth, yes, line from the opposite vertex falls on the base, which is perpendicular to the base. So from B, if you draw BE perpendicular to AC, so BE is called altitude. So altitudes are always perpendicular to the base. So BE is perpendicular to AC and CF is perpendicular to AB. Clear? So in this triangle, they have given AB and AC. ABC is an isosceles triangle. That means AB and AC are equal. And you have to show BE and CF are equal. How to show? How can we show? We have to show congruency here also. So which triangle
Can I?
congruency?
Can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, triangle AFC and triangle AEB.
Those two triangles we have to show congruent.
Congruent.
For that, what are the equal things we have?
Ma'am, first we have the 90-degree angle. Angle AFC is 90 degree because it is on a straight
Yeah,
line.
altitude.
Yeah. So that we have 90 degree. Then on the other angle also we have that 90-degree angle. Then we
F is
have,
equal to E, 90 degrees.
yeah. Then we have a common angle.
A is a common angle, okay.
And AC is equal to AB. It's given. So we have that one side.
So AB is equal to AC. It is isosceles triangle. So by two angles and one side, so AAS criteria, two triangles are congruent, and by CPCT, BE and CF are equal. Clear?
Ma'am, this is exercise 7.2 only, no?
Yeah. Given triangle ABC is isosceles, that is AB is equal to AC and BE perpendicular to AC, CF perpendicular to AB. This is given. We have to prove, yes.
Ma'am, can I leave and rejoin? I'm getting disconnected continuously and my network is not
Okay.
proper. So can I
Oh,
leave and change and
okay,
join?
okay. Proof two triangles in triangle AEB and triangle AFC. Angle AEB is equal to angle AFC. Both are 90 degrees. Angle EAB is equal to angle FAC. Common. And A is common, then AB is equal to AC. Given. So therefore triangle AEB is congruent to triangle AFC by AAS congruency. Therefore BE is equal to CF. CPCT. Here the other method also you can solve the same question. The same question is asked in next exercise as well. So in that you can show instead of AEB and AFC triangle, you can show BFC and BEC triangle also you can show congruent. AB is equal to AC they have given. So that means angle B and angle C are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Angle F and angle E 90 degrees. And BC is common side.
Yes, ma'am.
So by AAS criteria, again two triangles are congruent. So therefore also B is equal to CF by CPCT. So you can solve this by two different methods, right? Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth one. Looks similar, but reverse. Now here BE and CF they have given equal and you have to prove the triangle is isosceles. Now this is a converse of the third part. That means here now they have given altitudes are equal and you have to show that triangles are congruent and the triangle is isosceles triangle.
And we can use the same method.
Congruency different because here AB and AC are not equal. BE and CF are equal. So BE is equal to CF, angle E and angle F 90 degrees and angle A common. AAS criteria, two triangles are congruent. By CPCT, AB is equal to AC.
Ma'am, the other thing,
Lower one also.
yeah.
BEC and BFC triangle. In that, BE is equal to CF. But in that, no, you can know RHS criteria. Then that is you have to prove by RHS congruency. SAS won't work. Or ASA won't work. Two sides are there, one angle is there. So SAS won't work, but RHS will work. Okay, but they have asked to prove ABE and ACF. So for that, you have to take the upper triangles. AAS criteria. Upper triangle with AAS criteria show congruency.
Yes, ma'am.
So given BE perpendicular to AC, CF perpendicular to AB, and BE is equal to CF. They have given. We have to prove first part triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF and AB is equal to AC. That is any one of them. That is, if two sides are equal, automatically the triangle is isosceles triangle. Proof. In triangle ABE and triangle ACF, BE is equal to CF given. Angle AEB is equal to angle AFC, both 90 degrees. And angle EAB is equal to angle FAC, common. Therefore, triangle AEB congruent to triangle, yes.
In the previous question I made, I got it's kind of got
Okay.
a little bit.
Yeah, 1 second. First write down this, I will show you that one also. Keep some space. Let everyone write, after that I will show you.
What, ma'am?
Not you, not for you.
Ma'am, can I just get a new book? This is finished.
Yes, you can.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the last ASA congruency, it's written wrong, ma'am.
ASA. It is
Yes,
AAS,
ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am. AEB is written. They told to prove AB.
That's not a problem. This congruency should be proper. Triangle
Okay.
name you can write anyhow. Here the equal angle should match in congruency.
Okay.
So if you make it BAE and CAF, that also okay. That's not a problem.
Ma'am, but in school, ma'am told everything should be in order.
Yeah, this is in order. No, AEB and AFC are in order.
Not that, ma'am. On the top, everything, whatever we write, should be in order.
Yeah, that is in order only. Where it is, this everything is in order, proper order. Only I have changed the name here. That is, whatever the name I have changed, according to that, the same other triangle congruency is the same way. In the same order I have written.
Okay.
A is in place of A should come because A are equal angles. In E value is equal to angle F. I have written in the middle place. And B angle and C angles are equal. That is, I have written in a proper place. Only they have mentioned ABE and I have written AEB.
Yeah, ma'am said that only. Whatever is in question, you have to do it. Same.
That is idioticity. The teacher has to work with knowledge, not what with AEB and ABE written. Then another teacher will consider that is no, you have to write this one BAE. Then here this congruency should be proper congruency. I'm always stick to this part. So whatever the triangle you are showing here, the equal angle, equal vertices, you have to write it this side. Does not matter that is what you have written. Ganesh will write AEB. You will write ABE. That's not a problem. That is right. You both are right. Only thing this sequence, if you mismatch, then gone, then wrong.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Who wants the earlier one? Third one. Who was? Yeah. Done.
No, it's not seen. It's getting
Third one.
blurred
Third
into
one.
between.
Third one.
Yes, ma'am. Not able to see.
I'm not getting what you're telling me.
Ma'am, yeah, 1 minute, ma'am. I'll write down. Yes.
Ma'am, tomorrow our class will be from 2 to 3, right?
Yeah, science class. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fifth one. ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. Show that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. How to prove? Both are isosceles triangle. That means AB is equal to AC as well as DB is equal to DC. So how to prove these two triangles are equal?
Ma'am, BC is common side.
Okay. But angle B, full B and full D are not included in one of the triangle. They are included in both the triangles.
Should we do construction?
No, not needed. It's very easy. No congruency needed.
Mm.
Can I try?
What?
Can I try?
Yes?
Ma'am, we can name angle ABC and ACB as X because those two angles are equal because it's a isosceles triangle.
Okay.
In the same way, angle BDC and DCB are equal because, yeah, they can be Y. Now X plus Y equals to X plus Y.
Yes, right. So instead of x, y, only x and y, make it 1. This as 2. This as 3. And this as 4. AB is equal to AC. So opposite side angles will be equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And BD is equal to DC. So therefore angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Equals are added to equals. The wholes are equal. So add them. Angle 1 plus angle 3 and angle 2 plus angle 4, they will be equal because all are equal angles. So 1 plus 3 is angle ABD and 2 plus 4 is angle ACD. They are equal.
Ma'am, but from this anyway, we don't get that we don't get that 1 is equal to 3.
No, we
Yeah.
don't know. We have only proved 1 and 2 are equal, 3 and 4 are equal. These two are equal, these two are equals. Equals are added to equals, the wholes are equal.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we can do it another way by joining A and D. So we can prove congruency in ABD and ACD, and then we can get the two angles equal.
Yes, that is also work. If you join AD, then you have to show ABD triangle and ACD triangle congruency.
They'll be equal by SSS.
SSS. AB is equal to AC, BD is equal to DC, and AD is common. So by SSS criteria, two triangles are congruent. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle C.
Ma'am, but in
That is also can
exam,
be done. Any method you can use.
ma'am, but in exam they expect the way Anurag said, I guess, because it's congruency.
No, no, no. Both are right. So here you have to mention first. Directly don't write angle 1 and angle 2 equal. So write AB is equal to AC in triangle ABC. AB is equal to AC. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Write the reason. Angles opposite to equal sides. Make it equation 1. Then in triangle DBC, DB is equal to DC. So therefore, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Equation 2, same reason. Angles opposite to equal sides. Adding 1 and 2. Angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. Angle ABD is equal to angle ACD.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, when in a question they'll ask, show that, it means that we should prove it.
Prove it, yes.
Am I get
Show
confused?
that and prove that same.
Okay.
Thankfully, the fourth exercise has been removed. That's actually explaining students are not able to understand that properly. Much more problem markers. Students are not able to understand that properly. That exercise. Thankfully, that is removed this year.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, will you explain the removed things also?
Okay, a second. Completed? Everyone finished? Fifth one.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Sixth one. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. Side BA is produced to D such that AD is equal to AB. Show that BCD is a right triangle. So that means in this there are two isosceles triangle, ABC and ACD. So here AB is equal to AC they have already given. And as well as they have told that is BA is produced to D such that AD distance and AB distance are equal. AB and AC are equal. AB and AD are equal. That means AD and AC will be equal to each other. So that means
Yes, ma'am.
triangle DAC is also an isosceles triangle.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
ABC is also an isosceles triangle.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
if
ma'am.
AB and AC are equal, so this angle and this angle is equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
AC
ma'am.
and AD are equal, so this angle and this angles are equal.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
So consider this as X, this as X. This is Y, this is Y. Then BCD is also an triangle. Any
Yes,
one
ma'am.
triangle. It's not
Yes, ma'am.
isosceles, it's a normal triangle. The sum of all angles is
180.
180 degrees. So all the angle sum is X plus Y
2x plus 2y.
plus
2x plus
XY.
2y.
2x
2x plus
plus
2y.
2y is equal to 180. So X plus
X
Y
plus
is
90.
90.
90. So angle C will be 90.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If angle C is 90, that means BCD is a right triangle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Given AB is equal to AC and AD is equal to AB. To prove triangle BCD is right triangle. Proof. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. So therefore angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. This is given. Angles opposite to equal side. So let it be X. Then in triangle ACD, AC is equal to AD. So therefore angle ACD is equal to angle ADC. Angles opposite to equal side. Let it be Y. Now in triangle BCD, angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 180. So B is X, C is X plus Y, D is Y is equal to 180. 2x plus 2y is equal to 180. X plus y is equal to 90. So therefore angle C is equal to x plus y, that is equal to 90. So therefore in triangle BCD, angle C is 90. Therefore triangle BCD is a right triangle. Try this question. This is very easy.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes. What's the answer?
Ma'am, 45 degree.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
45
45
degree.
degree.
Yes, it's 45
45, ma'am.
degrees.
Ma'am,
Yes,
both are
you are.
45.
Yes. Angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. So how to show?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, anyone? Anyone? Both are quiet. But I'm gone. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Trishila.
Ma'am, it's an equilateral triangle, so all the three sides are equal. You can consider it as x, x, and x. So 3x equals 180 and x is 60. So
All
each
three
angle
sides
is
are
60.
equal. Yes. All three sides are equal. That means angles are equal.
Angles are equal, yeah.
So x, x, x are the three angles. The x plus x is equal to 180. So 3x is equal to 180. X is equal to 60.
Ma'am, here it is proving, but there is nothing given.
Equilateral triangle is there.
Yeah. Okay.
Triangle is ABC is a equilateral triangle. That is the given thing.
Okay.
Now example 7 based on RHS and SSS criteria. Now the third exercise is based on RHS and SSS congruency. Here, this is example 7, which is very important and 4-mark question. This question is always asked for 4 marks. Okay. So this is the property of kite. This is APBQ is a kite. Why it is a kite? Because adjacent sides are equal. So in a kite, we have to prove that is diagonal are perpendicular to each other. So this question also they can ask you. Here they have given much more description. But in an exam, they can ask you, prove that in a kite, prove that the diagonals of the kite are perpendicular. Okay, so that question can be asked, that both are same. Now here what they have given. AB is a line segment. P and Q are the points on opposite side of AB such that each of them is equidistant from the point A and B. So P's distance from A and B are equal. That means AP and PB are equal. P is equidistant, that means at equal distance. So P is at equal distance from A and B, as well as Q is also at equal distance from A and B both. So that means AQ is the distance of Q from A and BQ is the distance of Q from B. So AQ and BQ are equal, equidistant at equal distance. Show that the line PQ is perpendicular bisector of AB. So that means PQ cuts AB in two equal parts, as well as it is perpendicular also, that we have to prove. Clear? So this is perpendicular. PQ is perpendicular to AB, that we have to prove, and as well as AC is equal to BC we have to prove, because they have told PQ is a perpendicular also and bisector also. And this is true for kite. Given AP is equal to PB, AQ is equal to QB. This is given thing. To prove PQ perpendicular to AB as well as AC is equal to BC. No construction, so directly proof part. So we have to prove here congruency. How to prove? There are two congruency we have to prove. First thing is PAQ triangle. This is PAQ triangle and PBQ triangle. Okay, bigger triangles first, full. SSS criteria. Just now the Anurag has told earlier one. AP is equal to PB. AQ is equal to BQ. And angle PQ is common side. Okay. So therefore, these two triangles, PAQ and PBQ triangles are congruent triangles. So by CPCT, this angle and this angle are equal. APQ and BPQ are equal by CPCT. Now these two angles we have to use for this triangle now, APC and BPC triangle.
Small triangles.
These small triangles now we have to prove. In that, AP is equal to PB, angle APC is equal to angle BPC, and PC is common side. Okay, so therefore triangle APC and BPC are congruent triangles. So therefore by CPCT, AC is equal to BC, one part proved. And the second is this angle and this angle are equal. PCA and PCB are equal angles. So consider that as X. But these two are
Linear pair.
linear pair.
pair.
So X plus X is equal to 180. 2X is equal to 180. X is equal to
90 degree.
90 degrees. So that means angle PCA is 90 degree. This means what? PQ is perpendicular to AB. Clear? So to prove this congruency, we need a larger triangle congruency first, because we don't have anything, third thing here to show these two, APC and BPC triangle congruency. We need the third criteria. We don't have. Therefore, we have proved APQ and BPQ congruency. In triangle APQ and triangle BPQ, AP is equal to BP given. AQ is equal to BQ, that is also given, and PQ is equal to QP, common. Therefore, triangle APQ is congruent to triangle BPQ by SSS congruency. And therefore angle APQ is equal to angle BPQ by CPCT. Now in triangle APC and triangle BPC, AP is equal to BP given, PC is equal to PC, CP, that is common, and angle APC is equal to angle BPC. Proved in 1. Therefore, triangle APC is congruent to triangle BPC by SAS congruency. Therefore, AC is equal to BC, CPCT, angle ACP is equal to angle BCP, CPCT. But angle ACP plus angle BCP is equal to 180 degree linear pair. Therefore, angle ACP plus angle ACP is equal to 180. Angle ACP is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, PQ perpendicular to AB. This is 4-marker question. They have asked many times. Wait. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
P is a point equidistance from lines, two lines L and M intersecting at point A. See figure. Show that the line AP bisects angle between them. Line AP bisects angle A. You have to prove AP bisects angle A. How to prove? Ganesh, can you try?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait,
Ma'am,
wait,
can I?
wait. Ankita slipping.
No, ma'am, I'm seeing the figure. I'm trying to understand how to prove them. That's why I was like this.
Okay.
Ma'am, is this also an example?
Yeah.
Next example.
Next example. Ganesh, are you there? Yes, no, tell
Yes, ma'am.
something.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
How can we prove this? We have to prove AP bisects
Ma'am,
angle A.
ma'am, angle ABP is equal to angle ACP.
Okay.
Both are 90 degree, ma'am.
Yeah.
And
P is
BP is equal to
equidistance.
CP.
Reason?
Ma'am,
Reason?
ma'am, angles on
It is BP and CP are sides. They are not angles.
mm, mm,
Why BP and CP are equal? Tejasvi, reason? Tejasvi? Are you there?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, it's given that BP and CP are equal, so B
Where they have
angle,
given, they have not given.
no, like, they have marked over there.
Marked over, but what is the reason behind it to use it? What is the reason? They have marked, but there should be a reason for that. Yes, Anurag?
Ma'am, ma'am, actually they have given it. So I thought,
What they have given? Where it is given?
ma'am, that BP and CP are equal.
How? That's what the reason I'm asking. Why are they equal?
ma'am,
Yes.
Oh,
Yes,
ma'am, can I?
Daphne, 1 second. Yeah, Daphne.
It's given that P is a point equidistant from two lines L and M.
Yes, ma'am.
P is equidistant from L and M lines. So equidistance, that means a P's point from two lines can be calculated as a perpendicular distance. So therefore angle B and angle C is also 90. It is not given. If this figure is not given, you will get confused. So according to figure, you have directly written that is angle B and angle C is 90. Remember always, here every time, don't consider that is diagram will be given. See,
Yes, ma'am.
this is a line. Everyone see carefully. This is a line L. Point P is here. So P is equal distance from L and from M if we take like this. So how to find out the P is equidistance? For that, we need to draw a perpendicular on L and perpendicular on M. These distances are equal. So therefore, from point P, we have drawn here BP and PC as perpendiculars. and those perpendiculars are equal. Remember this, they have not given this. This is our understanding from this part.
Okay.
If the question is, the diagram is not given, you need to understand that meaning of that line. So this line is telling PB is perpendicular to L, PC is perpendicular to M. We have taken because we have to show the P is equidistant from L and M line. Okay, so given BP and PC are the distances of P from L and M. So therefore BP perpendicular to L, CP perpendicular to M, and BP is equal to CP. This is given thing. And we have to prove is angle BAP is equal to angle CAP. Proof in triangle ABP and triangle ACP, BP is equal to CP. Given angle PBA is equal to angle PCA, that is 90 degree, and another one is AP is equal to PA. Common. So how to prove congruency? Then congruency will be reason. What is the reason?
Ma'am, RHS criteria.
RHS congruency, and therefore angle BAP is equal to angle CAP by CPCT. So therefore AP bisects angle A. Completed? This is, mark this, very important. Chandana, have you finished?
Yes.
Okay. Now in this triangle, this is a 4 marker, always asked question. 7.3, first one. They ask every time this question for 4 marks. In this one, ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. Vertices A and D lie are on the same side of BC. If AD is extended to intersect BC at P, show that triangle ABD and triangle ACD are congruent. ABP and ACP are congruent. AP bisects angle A as well as angle D, and as well as AP is a perpendicular bisector of BC. So there is first congruency. Now listen first and then write by yourself. I'm not writing. So ABD triangle and ACD triangle we have to prove congruent. For that they have already given ABC is isosceles triangle. So AB is equal to AC. DB is equal to DC because DBC is also isosceles triangle and AD is common side. So therefore by SSS criteria these two triangles are congruent. Okay. Now for ABP triangle and ACP triangle we have to use CPCT from these two triangle congruency. Take this angle and this angle as congruent angles. Equal angles, sorry, by CPCT. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now use this. AB is equal to AC. AP is common. Full AP is common. And angle BAP and CAP angles are
SCS.
equal. So by SAS, these two triangles, that is ABP and ACP, are congruent. Okay. By CPCT, we can tell BP is equal to CP.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So that means AP is a bisector of CP, BC,
Yes, ma'am.
as well as angle APB and APC equal.
90.
So these two, they are not 90, they are equal. So consider this as x, x. X plus x 180, 2x is equal to 180, x will be 90. So therefore AP is perpendicular to BC. Clear?
Ma'am, what about AP bisects angle A as well as angle D?
Just now we have proved this one already, we have proved, no?
Oh,
So
no,
that means it
angle
bisects
D.
angle A first.
Yeah.
Then for angle D. Then for proving angle D, you have to take BDP triangle and CDP triangle congruency. After proving this part, BD is equal to CD. This one is common. DP is common, and this angle is equal to this angle. Or BP is equal to CP. So by SSS criteria, two triangles are congruent. Therefore, this angle is equal to this angle.
Okay. Even RHS we can use.
Yeah. But first prove fourth one, then third one. For this part. First ABD and ACD congruency by SSS. Done. From that, BAP and CAP equal. So that means AP bisects angle A.
Ma'am, AB is equal to AC and BD is equal to CD is given, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Clear? Completed?
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit down?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, is it angle BDP? What you wrote?
BDP, yeah. BDP and CTP are equal. Therefore, AP bisects angle B.
Done, ma'am.
None, ma'am.
Whoever done, they can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, do we have science test on Sunday?
Yes, you have. Ninth, no? Class 9th.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, you have science test on Sunday.
Ma'am, first 3 chapters only.
Yeah, those 3 chapters.
Okay. Four.
First 4 chapters. First, second, chemistry, motion, and cell.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.